9 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I are sitting around in a circular table, all facing towards the center. A, B, C, 9 persons are sitting towards the center. So when they are all facing towards the center, which means this will be the left side, this will be right side of the person. So left, right. So you have to imagine yourself sitting towards the center. So this is the left and this is the right of that person. So this is how they are going to be arranged. So first here, only one person sits between A and F. So I'm just going to randomly place A. So I'm going to put it here, and there is one person sitting between A and F. Or if F is sitting on this side, then one person sitting between A and F. We are not sure where the F sits. And then C sits third to the right of B, who is an immediate neighbor of A, which means B is the immediate neighbor of A. So B is going to be either this side or this side, and C sits third to the right of B. So if this is the B, so first, second, third. So C sits here, or if this is the B's place, then C sits first, second, third to the right of B. And then next point is only 3 people sit between A and G. So A is here, there are going to be 3 people sitting between them. So 1, 2, 3, then this might be G's place, or if this is this side, 1, 2, 3, then this might be G's place. We are not sure yet. And then G sits second to the left of H. So G sits second to the left of H. If H is here, first, second to the left of H, which means H is to the right of G. First, second to the right of G. So if I'm going to consider this as the G's place, then to the right of G, the second place, H is sitting. Or if I consider this as G, then first, second, this might be H place. I'm not sure yet. Let's have it as it is. I is an immediate neighbor of both A and H, which means I should be placed between them, right? So only place where I could place I is this one, because H is here and A is here, which means B doesn't come here, I comes here, and F doesn't come here either. So because H is here. So if this is the H place, which is H sits second to the left of G, which means this is going to be the G's place, and this is not the H place either, and this cannot be G place either. So since this is the C's place, so this is not the C place either. So F is not an immediate neighbor of D. D cannot be here. Since it's not the immediate neighbor, so D goes here. So the only alphabet is E. So E comes here. So this is the order in which they are all seated. So question number 75 is, what is the position of E with respect to A? So with respect to A, position E is third to its right. So third to the right, that is the answer. Next. So who among the following sit between C and B when counted in clockwise direction? So clockwise direction is you have to go this side. So when you're going this side, this is all these alphabets like A, I, H, D, G or between C and B except F and E. So except F and E, which means F doesn't come here. So H and D, which the option here is both 1 and 3. That is the option. So 77 questions. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and thus form a group. Find the one which does not belong to the group. So B, it's one person between. F and C, it's one person between. C and D, it's one person between. D and I, it's one person between. H and B, there are 2 person between. So that is the only option that is not like. So E is, how many persons sit between G and E when counted from left of G? So left of G is here. So between G and E is, there's only one person is sitting between. Who among the following sit fourth to the right of I? So I is here, its right is this way. So fourth is first, second, third, fourth is E. So option E is the